Hey Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, I just want to talk about this topic that I really find interesting. This topic is pretty much people that are not in a relationship that are okay with not being in a relationship. Alright, the reason why I like this topic or admire this topic or admire people that are not in relationships and they are still successful and they're still focused is the fact that it takes courage in this generation now to actually be single and be successful because people rely so much on their partner or peer pressure, external factors that force people to be in a relationship. So people that are not in a relationship that don't succumb to these external influences that, you know, say, hey, you need to be in a relationship, everybody's in a relationship, I'm single, and they don't look or stoop to that. They keep confident, they keep focused, and they work towards their goal. So what I like about that is that a person that actually is single can use the time wisely to better themselves by reaching their goals, working harder, focusing on themselves and pretty much working towards what they want. Because when you're in a relationship, it tends to sap your energy because you're putting so much into an individual who might not be there down the road for you or with you. You have wasted all that time. So for you to be single and focusing on your goals, your dreams, and working towards them actually help you to be a better person. So not saying that not being in a relationship is bad. Sometimes it's good not being in a relationship because it helps you to focus on things that are really, really important that will set you up for a better future, for a more successful future, a more successful life. But on the flip side of that, you still have relationships where both persons work together, come together, work as one. They're a family, they're successful together. But what I want you to look at is look into yourself and see where you fall. Do you fall in a relationship where both persons help each other, or you're a single person helping yourself, you're with friends, you're with family, but you're just not with a partner or intimate person, you're going at it solo, you're just flying solo and you're happy, you please yourself. So I want you to look at that, look into those two types of relationship, where you're in a relationship or you're not in a relationship and it still work for you. So but I just want to say that I admire people that are single and successful and still pushing at it. I can see where you just need to occupy yourself and not fall victim to, oh, I'm lonely, I want somebody, and eventually when you get that person in your life, they're not compatible to you, and then that causes you to stress and break down and lose focus, of the goal that you're trying to reach towards. So I just want to say I respect all the single people out there that are successful and working really hard towards their goal, and I do admire the people that are in a relationship and they're working together as one and things just flow. So I just want to shed light on both of those situations where you're in a relationship or you're single and you're still successful. So keep up the good work and just be happy. Remember, subscribe and share to JVLOGS if you like the videos. Remember, vlogs drop on Mondays and Thursday, mini clips on the weekend. I hope you enjoy this.